Jai Bharti, Namaskar. Today, in the series of influence of Sanskrit over European languages, we'll take two words. One is calculation, and second one is system. So let's take the first word, calculation. So in Sanskrit, the word for calculation is kalan or kalan vidya, and so this kalan means to count, to compute, to arrange numerically, and then this word has a lot of other it gives rise to other words also, like kalana, that is calculation, kalan vidya, sankalan means you have to summate it, or summation, or vikalan, that is differentiation. So this is the meaning of the uh, word kalan. Now, from the European side, you see the word calculation is basically Latin word calculare, which means to count, and calculus is again, which is a small stone used for counting. So, and from Latin we get the French word calculer, or English word, or the Spanish again calculer. All the European languages have the similar word, even Polish also, calculaja. So, when you see this word, cal, this is the primary word that actually means same, counting or arranging or deriving or summation. So this is it's a true cognate, and it also shows the influence of Sanskrit in mathematics and some science in India, and which spread across the world. So this is a see, the world has to understand this thing, the importance of Sanskrit, and it has been diminished by the, particularly by the Marxist people who wanted this language to die, and they have almost done this. Yes, the kind of attack they are doing on uh, the Indian system, and also the Indian people, in one way or another, it's just to diminish it. Because before the invasion, it was a international language. People who used to come to India to study, they used to study in Sanskrit only, a well-known fact. And if you just take Bihar and Bengal in India, there were 5 universities. Yes, all demolished by Bakhtiyar Khilji. It was just centers of learning. I'm not talking about Takshila and other, because all the um, because every as I explained earlier also, that every temple in India was was a place for learning. Every temple. Similarly with the Bodh Viharas, yes. Similarly with the Jain tradition, it's learning. So now let's take the other word. The other word is system. So in Sanskrit, the word syst means a person who has been is well trained, or he is a person who is they can say sarvagun sampan. That means he is having all the qualities. Uh, so, and you can say it's excellent. That is system. And sisti means in Sanskrit, it means an order, even it means punishment, and it means governance. Sisti. So when you take all this word and you take the word system in English, so the word system is again, it comes to that it has to be a proper order, a proper governance. A system means it's the basis for all the things. Maybe it is a system for education, system for governance, system for a system, a process. So when we see, means it's an organized structure to deliver something. And in Sanskrit, it is meaning governance or punishment and or order or an excellent person or a person with all the qualities. So these two, it gives a that this system and the cyst, they are very closely related, because when you see the derivative of both the words, it's same. So today we have discussed about calculation and system, two words, and I have been doing this, I think, for a quite long time. Some 15 videos I have made on this, and it's very important to emphasize on the importance of Sanskrit. The faster the world knows, the earlier the world knows, it is better. Because it will give rise to many other things which are hidden, which has been destroyed, or maybe a lot of books which are there across the world, in Tibet, in China, in various places. There are a lot of books in Indonesia. All needs to be compiled. People have to work on that. See, it is for the Sanskrit is for the benefit of everyone, entire world, and it helps for the external engineering also and the internal engineering also, for this, for the system and for the soul, both external and internal both. This language is really very important. Hope the world understands. Sooner the better. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Bharati.